Hi everybody, today I will show you how to add number counter in WordPress. So let's just begin. So first of all, you have to log in into your WordPress account, and now we will learn to add number counter in our WordPress website. Okay, so first of all, we have to go inside the plugin and we have to add the new plugin here. Okay, so here I have to search for counter number. Okay, so as you can see, the counter number plugin at the second number by the WP Shop Mart. So I have to install this plugin. This is a free plugin actually, but it also has a pro version. So let's just activate this plugin and then add our counter number to our website. Alright, so now you can see here we have added the counter number here and it is activated. Okay, so now I have to go into the counter numbers here and I will actually click on all counters. Okay, so as you can see here that we already have a counter number here, so I will simply delete this from here and we will actually create a new counter number from the scratch. So I will click on add new counter and from here I am able to create a new counter. And as you can see here that this plugin has a pro version as well and it has a lot of these different features. So if you want to unlock all of these advanced features, you would have to pay for the pro version of the counter number. Okay, so now let's just add a title to our counter number. So it would be my first counter number. Alright, and as you can see here we have the design templates here. The one that we can use in the free version is this one. Alright, so you can check the demo here. So let's just check the demo. So this is how our number counter will look alike. Alright, so let's just go back to our dashboard. Okay, so from here we can add the counter numbers, and right now we have the three different counter numbers. So I can actually rename our counter number, and we can also use the different icon based on our requirement. Okay, so let's just have projects and it would be the laptop. Okay, so number counter would be 240, and in the second we would have the earnings, and in the earnings I would like to use the dollar icon or the money icon. Okay, so that is enough money, and in the last we would have happy customers. All right, so let's just add an icon for the happy customers. So let's go to the end and here we will find a person icon. Okay, so that is it, and it is actually 100. Okay, so you can even add a new counter box here if you want to add. Okay, so let's just click on the add new counter box and it would actually add a new counter box. But if you want to delete any counter box, you would simply click on the delete icon here. Okay, that's it. And I can also delete all the counter box here by clicking on the delete all. All right. Okay, so from here I need to copy this short code to use the counter number in any page of our WordPress. All right, okay, so I think we are good enough here. So let's just publish this. Okay, so now I will actually go inside the pages here. Okay, because I want to add the counter number in the Elementor 19 page. So let's just edit this page with the Elementor. Okay, so we are inside our Elementor editor. Okay, so first of all, let me just click on this button here and I want to view the page. And right now you will be able to see that we don't have anything on our page. It is actually empty. Okay, but right now I will add the counter number here. Okay, so let's just go back to the editor, and from here I have to click on the add button. Okay, so now what I need to do, click on our section, and now you have to search for the short code here. All right, and in the short code you will simply paste that you have got from the dashboard of our plugin. Okay, so let's just go back and show you that we have got this short code from here. All right, so we have to copy this and we have to paste this into here and apply this, and now you can see our number counter here. All right, so let's just update our page and let me just refresh this empty page right now and we would have our counter number. All right, so now you can see that we have our counter number here, and this is how you can add the counter number to our WordPress. Alright, so now let's just customize our counter number. So how can we customize this? We will actually go back to the dashboard of our plugin. In the plugin, now you can see here the counter setting. So in the counter settings, we have the icon color, we have the counter title color, we have the counter number color. So right now I would like to give it a blue color. okay, to all of these icon, title and the number. So let's just add the blue color. Okay, so here we have the icon size, and I would like to have a bigger icon here, so that would be around 70. Okay, and the font size of the counter number would be the 18, and title font number would be around 30. Okay, and we can even change the weight of our counter number and the title. And you also have the font family, so you can simply change the font family from here. So I would like to add this font family, the Verdana here. Okay, so if you want to display the icon, as you can see the icon here, so you would simply keep this value to the yes. But if you don't want to have the icon on our counter number, you would simply change the value to the no. Alright, but right now I want to have the icon, so it would be on the yes value. Okay, so in the last we have the display column layout. It simply means in a single column how much counter box I can have. So right now it is 3 column layout, so we can have the 3 counter box in a single column. Okay, so let's just update our setting now, and we will go back to our web page. Let me just refresh this, and now you will be able to see our customized counter number here. Okay, so this is how you can customize the counter number. So I think I have to decrease the title size, so let's just go back, increase the title size to the 80, and I want to have a 2 column layout. So let's just update this again and go back to our web page here, and let's just refresh this, and you will be able to see the change in the size of the title. And we have also changed the layout from the 3 column layout to the 2 column layout. Okay, but let me just fix it to the 3 column layout again. Okay, so now let's go back to our web page, refresh the page, and you will see the 3 column layout again, and this will look great now. Okay, so this is how you can customize the number counter, and in this video we have learned that how can we add the number counter in the WordPress. And if you really find this video useful, hit the like button and subscribe the channel.